So, hi guys, this video is on oxidation and reduction in organic chemistry, and particularly I'm looking at what oxidizing agents and reducing agents do in organic chemistry. So when we talk about an oxidizing agent in organic, remember that oxidation is loss of electrons and reduction is gain. So our oxidizing agent actually causes the organic molecule to be reduced, to gain electrons, and what we see in organic chem when this happens is that either oxygen is added or double bonds are created. And this happens in a stepwise process. So every time you do an oxidation, what happens is that the oxygen's added, a double bond is formed, and then the third step, the next part, is that another oxygen's added. So that's how we can use a carboxylic, that's how we can use an oxidizing agent to get from an alkyl halide, from an alcohol to a carboxylic acid via an aldehyde. A reducing agent in organic chemistry, so remember that a reducing agent causes oxidation to happen in the molecule. So, and oxidation is a loss of electrons. So the reducing agent causes bonds to be broken. It removes oxygen and adds hydrogen in its place. So it unsaturates saturated bonds. It saturates unsaturated bonds. And we see examples of this when we take a carboxylic acid and we use a strong reducing agent to send it back to being an alcohol, or when we take an ester and we use a reducing agent, and we use a base, and send it back to being an ester, or when we take a strong oxidizing agent, we take a reducing agent, we combine it with an ester, and that forms two single alcohols. Examples of oxidizing agents are potassium permanganate, so KMnO4, and potassium dichromate, so KCr2O7. Examples of reducing agents, there's only really one in organic chemistry that we're going to talk about, and that's lithium aluminium hydride. In this case, the hydrogen has an oxidation state of -1, so it can easily lose electrons to form to bond. So I hope that explains these things in a bit more detail. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thank you.